Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a soft, calm moment right now. Maybe you have a warm drink in your hand. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back to our cozy little English corner where we talk like real friends and learn real English you can actually use in life.
Exactly. Every episode is simple English, natural English, honestly, human English. And today's topic is something we all think about, sometimes too much.
Yes, here is a small hint. It's something everyone wants more of, but everyone is scared to lose. And sometimes it disappears faster than ice cream on a hot day.
Money. But don't worry, we are not going to give a boring financial lesson. No difficult formulas, no professional words.
Just a warm, friendly conversation about saving money, how we struggle, how you struggle, and how we can do better together.
So, Jack, tell us something personal. When you were younger, like in school or early college, were you good at saving money?
Oh, no, not at all. If I had $10, I spent 11. I think I invented debt before I even knew the meaning of the word.
Same here. When I got pocket money, I spent it immediately on snacks. I was a snack millionaire for about 10 minutes.
You know, school teaches us math, history, and essays, but no one teaches us how to save money.
Yes, and saving is not only discipline, it's also emotional. Sometimes we spend money because we feel sad or bored or stressed.
Exactly. Retail therapy is real. You buy one unnecessary thing, and your brain suddenly feels better.
But later, you check your bank balance and think, why did I do that? Was I possessed?
So today's talk is like a little therapy. We'll break down why saving is hard, what small habits help, and how to make saving money feel easy, not painful.
Jack said, I used to spend all my money. We use used to talk about past habits that we don't do now. I used to buy snacks every day. I used to spend without thinking. Your turn. Say one sentence with used to about your past spending habits.
Do you spend money when you are sad? Yes or no? Just think about it.
All right, now let's slowly move into real saving tips. Not big painful changes, just tiny friendly habits.
Because we are normal people. We don't wear suits. We don't drink fancy coffee in glass offices. We are just Olivia and Jack, two humans trying to live one cup of tea at a time.
Perfect. Now let's start with habit number 1.
Habit number 1, track your spending. But don't use a complicated app. Just write it in your phone notes.
Yes, even if you write it in a funny way. I sometimes write $12 coffee. I didn't need it, but emotionally I needed it.
When you see your spending written out, it hits different. Your habits become clear and honest.
Habit number 2. Saving starts before you spend. Before you go into a store or open a shopping app or see a big sale sign.
The sale sign is dangerous. It says 70% off, but actually means you were not planning to buy this, but now you will.
Exactly. Sometimes we say, I saved $20, but actually we spent $30.
That's called emotional math. Complete the sentence. When I see a sales sign, I usually...
When you save even a little money, your mind feels lighter. You feel peaceful.
Yes, a small emergency fund feels like giving yourself a warm hug.
Aww. It's like telling yourself, don't worry, I will take care of you.
Beautiful. And that's why your candle addiction is forgiven.
Thank you. I accept your forgiveness. So, today we want to help you save money in a simple and realistic way. Not save 80% of your salary. Not never buy anything fun again.
No, we don't want your life to be sad. We want smart saving, not sad saving.
Exactly. So, Jack, what helped you start saving money?
Honestly, tracking my spending. But not with a fancy app. I just use my phone notes.
Oh, yes, same. Sometimes I wrote things like, bought coffee again. I am weak.
See, that is dramatic, but also helpful. Because if you don't know where your money goes everywhere.
Habit number 1. Track your spending in your own style. Serious, funny, emojis, anything is fine.
We use will to talk about future decisions. I will save more money. I will write my spending today. I will not buy snacks today.
Your turn. Say one small sentence with I will about saving money.
Okay, let's move to the next habit, the 24-hour rule.
Yes, the idea is simple. If you want to buy something that is not important, wait 24 hours.
And usually, you don't want it anymore. It's magical. Your brain wakes up and says, oh wait, I don't need another pink water bottle.
Hey, I like my pink water bottles.
Olivia has 7. 7!
They are cute. But yes, the 24-hour rule is powerful. It saves money without pain.
Habit number 3, the 7-day challenge. Choose one area of your life and say, for 7 days, I will not spend money on this.
No coffee shop for a week, no snacks for a week, no new clothes for a week.
It feels like a fun game. And when you win, you feel rich.
And powerful. It's like, yes, I controlled myself today.
Repeat after us. Save, to keep money. Spend, to use money. Buy, to get something with money. Cost, the price. Need, something important.
Want, something not necessary.
Mini task. Say one sentence with want and one with need. Now, habit number 4. Before you buy something, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I really need it? Will I use it often? And is it worth the price?
And if the answer is no, you escape. Literally escape. Run away from the shelf.
Especially when you are hungry. If you shop hungry, everything looks important. Everything looks tasty.
Yes, you come home with 12 snacks and one random item you don't remember buying. Habit number 5, wants versus needs list. Write 2 lists. Needs, important things. Wants, fun, but not necessary.
Sometimes a want pretends to be a need, like a want in a fake mustache.
Exactly. I need new shoes. No, Olivia, you want new shoes.
Wants are okay, just not every day.
Habit number 6, set a small monthly goal. $10, $20, $30, any amount is fine.
Saving does not have to be big. Small savings create a strong habit.
And when you hit your goal, celebrate, but not by spending the money. Celebrate with something cozy at home, a movie night, tea, a warm bath.
I choose tea. Always tea. Habit number 7. Cook at home.
Cooking is cheaper, healthier, and cozier. And you know exactly what's inside your food.
Make it fun. Play music. Try a new recipe. Cook with a friend.
Cooking at home saves so much money.
Say, I will cook at home this week. Good job.
Habit number 8, create a don't touch jar.
Yes, this is simple. A small jar or separate account. Name it, don't touch.
And your brain listens. Whatever goes inside, you don't use it. Not for snacks, not for coffee, not even for shoes.
Especially not for shoes, Olivia.
Okay. Habit number 9, secondhand shopping. Secondhand is cheap, unique, and good for the planet.
Yes. Sometimes secondhand is even better than new. I once bought a jacket for $12. People said, "Wow, Jack, that looks expensive." I didn't tell them the truth for 3 days.
You enjoyed the compliments too much. Okay, let's continue. Habit number 10, save first, spend later.
Yes, most people do the opposite. They spend money first and then save whatever is left.
But save first, spend later is much better. Even if you save a small amount, like $5 or $10, you tell your brain this is important.
And your brain listens. Well, most of the time.
True. We use have to for rules or responsibilities. I have to save money. You have to check your spending. We use don't have to when something is not necessary. You don't have to save a big amount. You don't have to change everything in one day.
Quick task. Say one sentence with have to, one sentence with don't have to.
Saving money can feel stressful sometimes. Life is expensive. Things happen. We get tired. We want comfort.
Yes, but learning how to save gives you peace. You feel safer, more in control.
Even small habits can change your life in the long run.
And we're here with you. One cozy conversation at a time.
So these habits are simple, but they can truly help you save money without feeling sad. Cooking at home, making lists, avoiding impulse buying, understanding your spending triggers, and yes, Olivia's shoe rule.
Hey, I just have an emotional connection with shoes.
I know. But you're now actually saving money, so I'm proud.
Thank you.
Finish the sentence in your mind. When I save a little money, I feel blank. Just think about your answer.
Saving money is not only about money, it's also about feeling calm and proud. Like, wow, I can do this.
And it gives you freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom to help someone, freedom to buy something important without stress.
And freedom to buy shoes, Olivia.
Okay. I deserved that one. Before we finish, here is a small reminder. You don't need to save big money. You don't need to change your whole life in one day.
You just need to start with one tiny habit, one small step, something simple.
Save $1 a day. Make a small weekly budget. Stop buying one unnecessary thing.
And celebrate your small wins. Don't say, oh, this is nothing. Say, this is a good start.
Because saving money is not a race. It's a gentle journey. Repeat after us. Little by little, I can save. I can control my spending. Saving money helps me feel calm. Good job.
Look at you sounding so wise today.
Maybe saving money makes me smart?
Or maybe you're happy because I didn't buy shoes this week.
Okay. Let's finish before we laugh too much. All right, everyone. Thank you for spending time with us today on Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you stayed with us until the end.
Remember, learning English is like saving money. Little by little, step by step, you get better.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep taking care of yourself.
And hey, if you learned something today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really supports the channel and helps more learners like you.
We'll see you very soon. And next time, we'll talk about another simple, helpful, warm, everyday topic.
Bye for now.
Bye.